Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Thomas Agam. Today I will present how to make kolak. Okay, let's. Kolak is one of the typical food in the month of Ramadan. The sweet taste of many people who like this food. This is the step in making sweet kolak. Ingredient that must be prepared: 500 gram of purple yam, 140 gram of tapioca flour, 200 gram of sugar, a piece of pandan leaf, 140 milliliter of coconut milk. How to make
So,
mix purple sweet with canned tapioca flour. And a little water, 50 milliliter, while kneading and continue until kalis.
kalau air apa namanya?
Then form the drought round. Boil the water after boiling, and the sweet purple mixture after expanding. Then left and drain. And then boil the coconut milk until boiling, and then remove and drain. Cooks 350 milliliter of water with sugar and pandan, and mix the yam that have been drained after boiling, and then remove. Serve kolak with coconut milk. In addition to easy ways to make it cheap, also the ingredient need. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mantap.